Okay, so I just want to show you the alternative of doing stripes using a colour changer. So I've got my colour changer set up on my machine, and this is a YC6 on a silver reed machine. You're going to need to check your model number and instruction manual for setting up yours, because they'll all be slightly different to each other. But all I wanted to show you today was the principles of how you would knit stripes using a colour changer. So I've got all mine set up, I've got my yarns in, and this is my main colour first of all. This is colour A, and then I've got 3 other colours set up in the yarn feeder, B, C and D. And what I'm going to do is just knit stripes of 2 rows of each colour. So I'm going to start off with my main colour, and I'll show you what I've got set on the colour changer over here. Because you can see that it's got A, B, C and D for the 4 colours, and it's got 0, 1 and 2 up the left hand side. What 2 is showing me is the colour that I've got in work that I'm going to change out of, and what 1 is showing me, which is colour B, is the next colour it's going to pick up and change to. So that means as I go across, it's going to take my old colour out and put this new colour in. So I simply knit across and I wait for my drive lever here to connect with the colour changer here, and you hear it click, and then you can see that B has popped out now, and now as I go back, B is now in my yarn feeder and I'm knitting a row of B. Next I want to change to C, so I just hit my C button, and as I go back, C now pops out and that yarn is changed, and then I want to go to D. So you can see, especially if you have a very regular pattern, how it would be quite quick and easy to get into a routine with it and knit all of those stripes quite quickly. So there you can see I've just done a whole section of 2 row stripes, changing all the way up, and it was reasonably quick and easy. It's a bit disconcerting seeing the yarns changing like that, and you will get the yarns carried up the side, so they're not knitted in the way I showed you in the previous video, but more often than not those are going to be in a seam anyway. But there, let me just show you the other side. Is your quick and easy 2 row 4 colour stripe.